uBrink oneminyaka engama-35 ubudala odabuka eCenturion uqokwe kwesobumeya emva kokuthola amavoti ayi-109 ehlula u-offense Malus weKhopi othola amavoti ayi-102.
We will draw on the inspiration of those municipalities that are breaking new ground, such as the city of Cape Town, but we will devise a plan that addresses our realities. Firstly, we have to get control of the finances of the city. We have to ensure that the money that people pay in rates, tariffs and charges delivers value, delivers improvement of service.
Kusenjalo amaqembu aphikisayo athi ngeke akubekezelele ukungahlinzekwa kwabantu ngezidingo.
We believe in democracy. That's why after Brink was elected, we never walked out like them when they walked out after our speaker was elected. We hope that the mayor will focus on stabilizing the finances of the city.
We wish him well, but most importantly, we are asking him now to focus on service delivery. There are quick wins that he can focus on. There's a lot of rubbish on the street, traffic lights are not working. Those are quick wins that he can be able to focus on. And then there are long-term things that he needs to actually do as well, including stabilizing the finances of the city, going into Hammaskral and fixing the water issue there.
I-EFF iphinde yaxwayisa amaqembu asebenza ngokubambisana ukuthi angamhlukumezi usomlomo womkhandlu uMncedi Nzwanana.